Okay, so here's a really simple trick to use with ChatGPT and some of the other LLMs that are on the market right now. It will save you time, it will speed you up, and it will help you to get exactly what you want from these things without all the stress and even though it's easier writing with this stuff, you can make it even easier, okay? And the simple tip is instead of typing things in, so you go to ChatGPT, you might say, write me or whatever, right? It doesn't really matter what we say. Instead, we're going to speak it out, right? So I can type this in. You can't do this in the browser version, so I'm going to pop over to the ChatGPT app right here. You can also do it, that's the desktop app. You can also do it on your phone if you get the ChatGPT app out, the mobile app. You can do voice messages, right? So basically like this. Write a short email to the Raychart list in the style of Chuck Palahniuk. The target audience is Old John, which is listed in the custom GPT for the Rage GPT. And don't just write the email yet, just give me 5 different ideas I could use today based on what you know about Old John. Took 20 seconds, right? Then we hit the tick button. You can do that on your phone too. It will automatically transcribe it, probably in about 5 seconds, depends how long it is. And then you just hit enter, right? It's going to give us some ideas. The reason you do this is just because it saves so much time, right? I can type things out, sure. If you are a marketer, typer, if you are intelligent, you can type things out. But it's a lot quicker if you just do this, right? If you record it like we've been doing here. Now I'm going to to save time, I'm going to stop that right there. And we're going to say, okay, let's do the email. Mindfulness is just another cage. Write that email and offer a way out through Raychart. Now, I'm just doing this to show you how this works. It's really just like a walkthrough of the technique. I don't want to actually go through the whole thing of writing an email because that's really for a separate video. But this is really the whole tip. Use voice messages instead of typing. I hope you might find, like me, that it's a lot easier to speak than it is to type. And then you can type if you need to when you edit it, when you drop it into the email editor or the sales page or the website, you can edit it and that'll be done by hand. But at least while you're interacting with ChatGPT, use voice messages. Like I said, you will save time. You will speed things up. There'll be less stress because you won't be trying to think about exactly how to phrase it. Just talk like you're talking to a friend. And as you can see here, it's pretty good. Mindfulness is just another cage. We're not going to go through this whole email, but it's written email. I don't know if this email is any good because that's not really the topic of this video. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. If you want more tips like this, please hit the subscribe button and also grab the AI Copywriting Secrets Volume 1 bundle, which I'll put those links down below. And we'll see you next time.